The admin for your Google Workspace must enable Flows via the following process. Follow the screen recording. From the left-hand menu, select Generative AI, then select Gemini for Workspace. Select the Alpha Gemini features. From there, toggle Flow On. Then save down in the bottom right. This must be done from the Workspace admin console. From within the Google Mail app, there is a new icon upper right next to the Gemini icon. This is the new Flows icon, a S-line between two endpoints. Click this to open the Flows side window. At the bottom of the window, click the Do More in Flows link to open the Flows UI full screen. Take your time to review the Flows screen. There is much information here, including tutorial videos references at the bottom of the page. On the left of the Flows screen, the blue plus is to create a new agent. Then, Discover is to review the agents that Google has provided, in essence a library of examples. You can see as I scroll the examples are broken into categories. There are even agents for third-party applications such as Jira, Confluence, Salesforce and others. Then there is My Agents, a repository of your agents. All of this is pretty self-explanatory, as is the UI for creating a Flows. Watch the screen for a general idea of navigation within Flows. Here you can see the details of the options you have to fire the trigger, in this case an email with specific requirements. The UI assists in stepping through the process. Adding another action step is as simple as clicking a button. There are many actions to choose from in the Add Step dialog box. Hopefully you found some useful information. Google is all in on the no-code solution. Opal, AI Studio Build, and now the Flows Agent Builder.